Drone TV, voice of drone technology, GIS and AI technologies. Introducing Mohanish Verma, Marketing Executive at Adroitech.
Hello, this is Jidnisha Sankhe from DroneTV.in. Sir, could you please like to introduce yourself and tell us your role in this company?
Okay. I am Monish Verma. I am Marketing Executive at Adroitech. I handle all the marketing activities for Adroitech.
Okay. All right. So, what products you are showcasing in Drone Expo?
Okay, so basically we are a 3D printing company, 35 plus year old 3D printing company. Here we are targeting drone industry. Okay, so basically all these parts are 3D printed and from different technology and different materials as well. Okay, so you can see these are metal 3D printing parts. This is powder based 3D printed part. This is ceramic based 3D printed part. Okay, apart from that, we have a technology. In this, we can able to print 6+ million color combinations. Okay, and this is a patented technology from Stratasys. Here we are handling Stratasys business in India. Actually, we are a partner of Stratasys. Okay, and one of the main thing which we have came up, we directly print 3D print on textiles like this. You can see.
Yeah,
Okay,
that is really amazing.
and apart from that, you can see both process parts.
Yeah.
See, these are the parts. Okay, so
Yeah.
apart from that, we have developed 2 to 3 printers here in India. We have manufactured in India itself. So the facility is at Sector 2 Noida. Apart from that, we have simultaneous offices all over in India.
Okay. And for this, have you collaborated or you have any partnership with any other companies or any other organization?
Basically, Adroitech is a group of 5 companies.
Okay.
So we don't require to go up and collaborate with other companies.
Yeah, that's really great. So, in industry, how your product are different? Like, what changes they are making in the industry?
I told you, 3D printing is the game changer in itself. So in industry where the innovation is, the 3D printing can be used and can be utilized.
Okay. All right. So, how do you approach your customers for this product?
I approach the customer on behalf of their manufacturing process, as we are changing the traditional manufacturing through the 3D printing, because the complex geometries and some of the, I can say, the material properties didn't match in traditional process,
Okay.
which can be attained in 3D printing only.
Okay. So, you have find out the loophole in the traditional method and you're going on with the future trend. Can you please explain the laser micro 3D printing technology? Yeah.
My colleague is there.
Sir, could you please introduce yourself and please let us know what is laser 3D micro printing technology?
Okay, so this side Lalit Bajaj. I'm a promoter for a company named Vfuse Metal. It's a part of Adroitech Group, and we manufacture. We had a vision to take indigenous technology in the domain of metal AM to the global market. For that, we have developed. In the initial go, we have developed a technology named LAM DED powder fed system in collaboration with RRCAT, which is a department which comes under Department of Atomic Energy, and we have developed that system. It is running in RRCAT itself. Further to that innovation, we have moved towards a new technology, and we have collaborated with IIT Indore. They have their patented technology in laser micro 3D printing, which is for MEMS-based sensor manufacturing, and specifically for aerospace and for defense application. It is a proven technology, and we are innovating it further as well to go up to 1 micron accuracies, 1 micron feature size as well. Let's hope.
Yeah, so that's a great initiative and you're collaborating with DRDO and everything. It's a great initiative. So lastly, I would like to ask, like, where do you see your company? Like, what's the next plan in next 5 years, I would ask?
Okay, so obviously my next 5 years plan is to go global.
Global.
I would not say 5 years. In the next 2 years, I would be going global.
Okay.
And we would be taking this technology to a global level.
Okay, that is really great. Thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI-driven solutions. To partner with us or promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in. Contact us at +917 5201 23555.